Hey y'all, I hope that this little video finds y'all doing well and adapting to this new normal that we're living through. And you know, I promised y'all that I was gonna try to come up with recipes to share with y'all with things that I hope and think you might have in your pantry. So I'm gonna share a recipe that I'm telling you from California to New Jersey. People have given me feedback on this recipe, and it's so simple and so easy, it's almost embarrassing. But people love it. And that's the corn casserole. I've got one in the oven that I'm waiting to finish because I'm gonna top it with cheese. And like I said, this is embarrassingly simple, but you're gonna love it. I'm gonna use 1 can, and this is 14 3/4 ounce, I think. No, 15.25 can of niblet corn, 14.75 can of cream corn, a Jiffy mix, 1 cup of sour cream, 1 stick of melted butter, and that's it. So here we go. Oh, I'm gonna check on this one because when I checked on it a little while ago, it's still a little shaky in the center.
Show them how it jiggles so they can see that.
Okay. Teresa wants me to show you how it jiggles.
See,
It's jiggling just a little bit, and I don't too much want it to jiggle. So, and I've got the oven set on 350. Okay, so while we're waiting on that one, we're gonna put this one together. And I'm gonna start with our, if you don't have Jiffy mix, that's all right. If you've got any kind of little sweet cornbread mix, you can substitute that. But you know, Jiffy mix is it's almost like cake. So that's why it's so good with the sweet corn.
Cents a box.
Only 50 cents a box.
You can get 2. I got 2 for $1.
I hope you bought 2.
I did.
Yay, Teresa. All right. In goes the cream corn. In goes the niblet, and you'll want to drain that. In goes a cup of, that corn will smell like a little poot or something. But it's good. Okay. So I'm just gonna get this mixed up, and then I'm gonna add my butter. Now I think the original recipe, 1 stick of melted butter, which the recipe calls for 1/2 cup, and 1 stick of butter equals 1/2 cup. And I think the original recipe for this, y'all, I don't think it called for cheese on top. I don't remember, but I don't think it did. But I have found that the cheese just makes it. Look at there. Now, wasn't that hard, y'all? Scala is tired from working. All right, I'm gonna spray this just so I can get it to come out of the pan. And in the dish it goes. Get every drop of it. You know what? We actually serve this at the Lady and Sons. Now, do we serve this at Paula Deen Family Kitchen? We don't, just at the Lady and Sons, and people love it.
It's the best.
They love it. A lot of people make sure that this is on their Thanksgiving table. That's how good it is.
It's on ours.
Yes. And anything that you can do that's that easy.
Yum.
Yes.
So does it jiggle anymore?
Nope. It's ready. So I tell you to generously top it with cheese And I'm using just a sharp cheddar, but you can use, you know, whatever your favorite cheese is. A little bit more.
Or no cheese.
Yeah, you don't even have to have cheese. Some people are actually allergic to dairy, but
Yeah, I'm
tell
not
me
sure.
this is full of dairy.
I'm not sure they do it with cheese at Lady and Sons, do they? No.
Because the original recipe was done without it. All right, so 40 to 45 minutes. And I'm gonna have more corn casserole to eat than a show dog can jump over here in about 25 minutes. So I'm gonna let that cheese melt, and then I'm gonna show it to y'all and show you what it's supposed to look like. You know, my newest cookbook, Paula Deen's Southern Baking Book.
Mm-hmm.
You know why I love that book so much?
Wow.
Because every recipe has a picture.
I know.
And
That helps people, especially people that don't know how to cook like me.
Absolutely. You know, they say a picture's worth 1,000 words, and that shows me what the goal is.
That's why I was asking about the jiggle, because
Yeah.
sometimes people don't know how if
Right.
it should jiggle or not. a little
Right.
bit.
Right. Sometimes you don't want to jiggle. And sometimes you do. Like gooey butter cakes, you want them to jiggle a little bit. All right, let's look at that cheese. Not quite. So, I'd love to hear from y'all and see how y'all are keeping busy. Before the day's over, I'm really gonna try to get down on the floor and do some stretches and things like that. If y'all would like to join me for that. It'd be like watching a whale on dry land. I am so stiff. That Dancing with the Stars killed my knees, y'all.
Oh.
It tore my meniscus in both knees. But it was worth it.
Fun.
It was worth it. Yes, yes, yes. What a great experience. Incredible.
So how's that cheese?
It's pretty cheesy right now, but let's look. You know what they say about watch pot never boils? That is so true. You stand there and watch that pot and that sucker wouldn't boil for nothing. But you get a phone call and you get carried away, not only does it boil, it burns up.
Well, let people know that
But
we're
not-
answering. Paul, let people know that we're answering questions. That you're answering questions for them. So
Oh.
they just submit them to pauladeen.com or pauladeenfamilykitchen.com.
Did y'all hear Teresa? We've started answering questions. In fact, we sat down yesterday and I took a handful of questions that y'all had sent in, and I sat down and answered them. And most of them I had an answer for.
You do.
But not all do I have an answer for.
So
But
Paula
anyway, so I so appreciate that. So you can go to Paula Deen Family Kitchen and respond, or you can go to pauladeen.com.
Or Facebook pages.
Or Facebook pages, whatever.
We got lots of ways for them to
That
communicate
all
with
that
us.
stuff is above my pay grade, y'all. I have trouble keeping it straight in my mind. But anyway, I love that. I feel like that puts me even closer to y'all, you know, when we can have a conversation. So if you got a question, or maybe you have a recipe you want to share, you know, get in touch with me. Go into one of those pages and get in touch with me, and I would be happy to share your favorite recipe with the world. Okay? Look at that.
It doesn't get any better.
Look at that. You know what? I need to set my little timer, because this one doesn't have a timer. What did I say? All right, I'm going to set it on about 40 minutes right now. Let's get a spoon. Whoa. Here, I'll give you the big spoon. And Eddie and I'll take little spoons. Y'all come on in.
Well, with social distancing,
Oh.
We're kind of trying to make sure we follow.
Okay, look at that, y'all. Look at that. Ouch. Look. Can you come around here, Eddie, and get that? Can you get that? Look how beautiful that is. Oh, great grannies. It's hard to believe that something that simple could be that good. You can almost serve it as a dessert. Sweet corn. Y'all gotta try this recipe. And I hope you love it. So y'all let me hear from you. I'm trying to keep y'all occupied. Some.